Hey guys, it's Charles Cooper. I will be your instructor for the 2017 fall semester. I do have a few classes this semester online, so I'm just going to use this one as my example course. So your number may be 351, 352, or 345. That really doesn't matter since all the classes are set up the same. So I'm going to place this tutorial video at the top of this page. It's not there yet. However, below here you can find some helpful links on how to register for Canvas. I'm not going to read these 5 steps, but please read through the 5 steps on your own. Click on this link. It goes to a Padlet where I'm asking you to introduce yourself to the class. And then I am asking you to jump over to the syllabus and read that, please. The syllabus is your friend, as we all know. There's some gobbledygook up here at the top, but if we scroll down, the important stuff, as far as you're concerned, is going to be the grading criteria. We're going to have 8 tests, 3 written assignments, 17 Learn Smart assignments, 17 weekly forum discussions. There are some other things extra, like quizzes and chapter assignments. I will not be grading those. Those will not count towards your final grade. This kind of walks you through and explains to you what the expectations are for each of the categories. Please pay special attention to discussion forums. 2 posts are due each week. If you don't post twice per week per chapter, you will not get all 100 points for that particular assignment. This discussion forum is where people miss the most points in this class, and that could mean the difference between an A and a B or a B and a C. And then of course chapter quizzes are not graded, Campus Connect assignments are not graded. Also in the syllabus is the tentative schedule. You'll see week 1. You're expected to read chapter 1. You don't have to take the quiz, but it does help prepare you for the unit exam at the end of next week. Chapter 1 discussion forum. 1 post is due before midnight Wednesday. Another one is due before midnight Sunday. And again, please read the instructions above. Your Learn Smart assignment is a grade, but it tends to be an easy grade. And then your graded written assignment is due October 8th. More on that in a minute. You should expect to get an exam once every 2 weeks. So every test is going to cover 2 chapters. So Unit 1 exam will cover material from Chapter 1 and Chapter 2. Unit 2 exam will cover material from Chapter 3 and Chapter 4, and so on. So we're going to go over here to modules. This is the way that you're going to navigate this course, or through this course rather. Modules are organized. Unit 1, you're going to have the Chapter 1 stuff here, Chapter 2 stuff here, and then the Unit 1 exam at the bottom. It doesn't open until September 10th, and these are delayed. So week 1 is Chapter 1 stuff, and then week 2, Chapter 2 stuff. Please take the 2305 pretest. If 90% of the class takes the pretest and the post-test, I will drop a grade or 2 at the end of the semester. GWA stands for Graded Written Assignment. This is open now, but it's not due until October 8th. Don't wait until the last second. The first writing assignment is the toughest. If you go over to McGraw-Hill Campus Connect, I'm getting an error message because I'm not really a student in this course, but this is where you're going to interact with the material and take quizzes and tests and things of that nature. If we go to grades, this is where all of your grades pop up, and if you'll notice over here to the right, unit exams are 40% of your grade, graded written assignments 25%, Learn Smart 20%, chapter discussion forums 15%, and then notice chapter assignments are not graded and chapter quizzes are not graded, but they do help you do better on the unit exams. So if you do all of this work per week, that should help you on the unit exams, which are 40% of your grade. And then of course your pre-test and post-test don't count for anything, but if 90% or more of the class takes care of this assignment, then I will drop a grade or two at the end of the semester. And then here is all of your assignments for the entire semester. They're not opened up yet. The only ones opened up are the Chapter 1 assignments. But if you look at the bottom, it'll break down your grade so that you'll see exactly what your grade is and why. And then conferences and collaborations. Since this is an online class, I will be, if you need to meet with me, I would prefer to meet online first. If you need to meet face-to-face, I'm certainly not against that. But you will need to make an appointment so that I have enough time to prepare to meet you wherever it is that you're going to be. I also have 3 children, so I've got to juggle all that stuff. And that's pretty much it for the course. The rest of it, just kind of jump in and explore. And like I said, go through these 5 items here to make sure that you're truly prepared for the course. Then I wrote some gobbledygook right here that just kind of talks about what government is to me and the perspective that I'm going to be teaching this course from. My background is in political philosophy, not in political science, so it's a little bit of a different approach than maybe some of your other government instructors. And that's about it. If you guys need me for anything, click on the email function within Canvas, and I will respond to you as quickly as I can. That does feed into my iPhone, so I get those messages pretty quickly. If you need to reach me immediately, try me on Twitter at Thrasymachus. That's at THRASYMACHUS. I usually respond to emails within 24 hours. I respond to tweets or DMs usually within a few minutes. And if you really need me, my number is 214-621-5914. Please don't abuse it, but send me a text message. If you try to call without sending a text message, I'm probably not going to answer it, so text me first, and I'll try to help you with whatever issue it is that you need. Thanks a lot, guys, and I look forward to a great semester.